Hello, everyone. Here at History and Reviews, we are looking at the Mongoose Dolomite 26-inch fat tire bicycle. Just got here, and I'm really excited. Here they are, made by Pacific Cycle Inc., Port Savannah. There's a PO number, model number. 26-inch men's mountain bicycle, fat tire, do not lay flat. And the box is kind of looks like it's ripped in a few places. It's really Yeah, it's really beat up. Oh god, and those birds are loud. I apologize for this, but I got it on eBay for $200. Now this bike goes for $215 to $350 depending on where you get it, online and at retail stores. I'm gonna unbox it, as you can see here. Now I'm dubbing over. I had some issues with it. It was missing some screws, so I contacted the eBayer, and he got it. He like works at Walmart and was selling Walmart stuff on eBay, which was weird. And he said contact Walmart. So I contacted Walmart, and then Walmart said contact Mongoose. Mongoose said that it was a part that wasn't made in their factory, so they'd have to export it from another place. So I just decided to get a refund for the screws, went to Lowe's, and got the screws, and then I was able to put it on. And it took 3 weeks after I got it. So here it is, completely finished. And I am going to test this out because it is my first fat mountain tire bike, and I'll be back towards the end of the video. Post your thoughts down below. Subscribe. I'm going to do more bike reviews. I'm going to do more reviews with my cousin for a whole bunch of other stuff. We got bike rack reviews coming up. We've got a whole bunch of things. So please enjoy the video. If you want to hear my thoughts after riding this bike, skip to the end, the last minute or so, maybe last 2 minutes. Thank you for watching.
thanks. Yours is too.
Yeah, I love this bike. I think this bike is great. I am going to test it in the trails. This was just a neighborhood bike to see how it would go on a road. I am going to go try it on the trails. That's what I bought it for. And the chain, it only clicked one time. It came off once and then it retightened itself. I put some grease on it, just a little bit of grease, and it was smooth sailing after that. But I can't wait to do some trail videos. I'm going to do trail videos. If you want to see those eventually, hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on, and you will see me going to the trails with my cousin and us doing some jumps and stuff. Not anything huge, because I don't trust this bike until I've ridden it for a few weeks. Then afterward, maybe I'll do some cool jumps up high in the air. And it doesn't have suspension either, so that's very. I don't know how it will do with with bike jumps and stuff high in the air without suspension.